What's up guys, it's Ed from TechSource, and today we're going to be unlocking the iPhone 7 so you can use it with any GSM carrier in the world. Now this process is exactly the same for the iPhone 7 Plus as well, and it doesn't matter which country you purchased the phone from. Now there are a bunch of unlocking websites out there and it doesn't really matter which one you use, but if you're looking for the cheapest prices and the fastest delivery times, then you should check out theunlockingcompany.com, and that's actually where I get all my unlock codes from. So the first step is to find the IMEI number of the phone, and you can do that by opening up the dial pad and typing in *#06#. Once the number pops up, you have to visit theunlockingcompany.com and enter in all of the information. Put in the manufacturer and the model of the phone on the first page, and then on the next page you have to select which country the phone was originally purchased from and the carrier of the phone. In my case, I bought it from the United States and the original carrier is AT&T. Once you hit next, you will need to put in the IMEI number that we just looked up on the phone and finish filling out the rest of the boxes. Once you finish checking out, they will remotely unlock your iPhone, but you will need to finish the unlocking process on your end, and here is what you need to do. So before we continue, we need to put in the SIM card that you want to use with your iPhone. So pop open the SIM tray, which should be located on the side, and put in the SIM card you want to use with the iPhone. Once the SIM card is on the tray, go ahead and slide it back inside your phone and go ahead and reboot the device. Once you get the email stating that your phone is remotely unlocked, you will need to plug in your iPhone to your computer and open up iTunes. Now once you log in and hit continue, a message will pop up stating that your iPhone is now unlocked. So that's how you unlock your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus for any country. Feel free to leave a like if this video helped you guys out, and thanks for watching.